Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Caring Guy. Today, we're looking at what might be the perfect entry point into high-quality aerial photography, the Gold K1 new mini drone. This drone is small, stylish, and carries some serious specs that defy its tiny footprint. Pocket-sized powerhouse. When we say mini, we mean mini. Measuring in at just 7 by 7 by 5.5 centimeters and weighing only 120 grams, the K1 is truly a pocketable aircraft. This isn't just a toy, but a genuine 4K aerial drone you can slip into your backpack and take anywhere, making it the ideal gift for new pilots or a fun option for seasoned flyers who want something ultra-portable. Smooth, stable flight system. Despite its playful size, the K1 has core technology built for reliable performance. Underneath the hood, you get a powerful brushless motor. That's a huge upgrade over standard brushed motors, providing better efficiency, more consistent power, and a much longer lifespan. And for stability, the air pressure fixed height flight system is fantastic for beginners. It helps the K1 hold its altitude automatically, so you don't have to constantly feather the throttle. This smooth, fixed hover is absolutely essential for capturing clean video. Combined with integrated propeller guards, this mini drone is ready for indoor flights right away. Unbelievable 4K imagery. The real star of the show is the camera. The K1 is equipped with a 4K HD camera, shooting video at 4096 by 2160 pixels. This isn't stretched HD, this is genuine movie-quality photography potential. The quality is noticeably boosted by the larger 1.28-inch sensor, which helps pull in great light, giving you sharp, vibrant images and video. Connectivity is handled via the 2.4G anti-interference signal for a stable connection and the app controller on your smartphone. You'll get about 12 to 15 minutes of flight time on a charge, and a 100 meters remote distance to practice your maneuvers. If you're looking for a mini drone that delivers major league image quality without the professional price tag, the K1 is definitely worth a look. So, is the K1 mini drone the perfect 4K starter kit? Let me know what you think in the comments.